Hello everyone, welcome to Statisticians Hub. In today's tutorial, we are stepping into the realm of survival analysis with a focus on Kaplan-Meier curves. Now, if you're new to this statistical wonder, Kaplan-Meier curves are a powerful tool which is used to estimate the probability of an event, often in the context of survival or time to event data, particularly in the presence of censored data. When an individual is censored, we don't know the exact survival time, but we use the information up to that point to estimate the survival probability. Kaplan-Meier isn't just theoretical. It is used in so many fields like cancer research, reliability engineering, finance and investments, and many more. For a Kaplan-Meier curve, on the x-axis we have the time points, while on the y-axis we have the estimated survival probabilities. Each step in the curve represents an event occurrence, and the steps go down when an event happens. Steeper decline indicates higher event rates, while plateaus suggest periods of relative stability. Before we dive into coding, let's make sure we have the right tools. We will be using Python and a couple of essential libraries. If you haven't already, make sure to install Pandas, Matplotlib, and Lifelines. Now, let's jump into our Python script. First things first, let's import the necessary libraries and load our dataset. For this, you need to run the following codes. It's always a good practice to take a quick look at our dataset. Let's print the first few rows to understand our data structures. For this, you need to run the following code. In our dataset, we have the information on two crucial variables. One is the survival time, which represents the time each patient has survived after diagnosis, and the status, which represents whether a patient is still alive or not. Here, 0 represents patients who are still alive, whereas 1 represents patients who have died. Now the exciting part. Let's create our Kaplan-Meier curve. For this, you need to run the following codes. And ta-da! We have our Kaplan-Meier curve. Now let's interpret what we are seeing. The x-axis represents time and the y-axis shows the estimated survival probability. Each step in a curve represents an event occurrence. The steepness of the step indicates the magnitude of the event's impact on reducing the survival probability. I hope you found this video insightful, and if you enjoyed this exploration, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.